Alright, hang up. Hold on! It is 4:42 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX b816 eastbound loader coal train, empty coal train. There she is! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! 334! 7220 with cm44ac! We built a new locomotive! Wow! Nice! Dude, not gonna want to take off! Front elephant side right there! Don't you look nervous? Well, that was beautiful! Man, that was brutal, everyone! Damn! That was brutal, everyone! They're headed to the track too on the average tidings! The signalman changed the points just in time! Wrong. That's not cm416. It's b816-29. Eastbound empty coal train. I get it. How did it get here? That's gonna be into the train before it won't last long, man. Time is running out. We watch as at the rear end of the train, at the end of the coal train, crossover the West Fork River Bridge, beginning the traffic control, headed to the track 2, to cross over to track number 2, headed towards across the US Route 50 overpass at the end of the train by the US Route 50 overpass bridge. So we watch his amazement as the train slowly continued east of power without any derailments. b816-29 just made it, but just barely. The crew's risky gamble had paid off, saving CSX valuable time, fuel, and power without any train needing additional helpers at the Parkersburg. b816-29 will continue to ride on to Grafton, eventually arriving in the Grafton, West Virginia, the following day. Yep, they just crossed the US Route 50 overpass bridge and disappeared. Bang! All gone. All gone. Wow, that was cool, man. There you go, folks. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, give a thumbs up, comments down below, and please subscribe. So, thanks for watching.